cement, sand, coarse aggregates, water. If you combine them in the rotating barrel of a mixer, you get concrete. After being properly mixed, concrete is poured into a timber mould called formwork, where it sets, creating its structure. And once finished, a concrete building will last on average for 50 to 60 years without needing structural maintenance. Trees are like concrete, except completely different. It takes an oak tree up to 50 years to reach its full height, and they can live for many thousands of years after that. All from a single tiny seed or sapling, blown from who knows where or planted by God knows who. Thousands of years. It takes 15 minutes to cut one down. No more bird shit on your car, but no more tree either. The chug of the chainsaw, the crack of wood, down it comes. The miracle of nature, undone in a second, just like that. Everything natural has been hard done by of late. All the trees are stuck in parks, and all the shrubs and flowers have been imprisoned in public gardens. To an unaccustomed ear, the sound of machinery can be bothersome, but you get used to it after a while, and then it's almost as if it's always been there. Nowadays, I can't even remember what nature sounds like, let alone what it looks like. I know cars don't sound like birds, don't look like them. The same can be said for tarmac. That doesn't look like grass. Mechanics and machinery, that couldn't sound less like forestation. And then bloody concrete walls, they don't make any sound at all. But who am I to judge? Times change. I just miss the view from my window.